We are here, Atlantis, and we are about to hit what? What are we doing?
Lazy river.
We're gonna hit up the lazy river. We're gonna show you the water park here, which is really, really cool. Right now, by the way, we're looking at this really, really cool tank full of stingrays. I'll show it to you. So we're gonna hit the water park rides now.
Yep.
The little one here is dying to go to the leap of faith. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get on it though, because believe it or not, I'm a little scared.
You have to get on it.
I'm just right now we're just gonna go on the lazy river. This is actually kind of relaxing.
Baby, how you doing?
Good.
Okay, so this is one of the things you gotta try out, guys. Is the lazy river. It's really nice and fun, very relaxing. You got a few rapids here and there. Not too bad. Pretty cool. In Atlantis.
Yeah, my sister told me, she's like, yeah, the lazy river's not very lazy.
Oh, that's true.
Big boy, come in hot. Big boy.
Wave, we gotta turn. Come on, come on, come on. We gotta turn. We gotta turn. We gotta turn. We gotta turn. Hold on for your life. Hold on. Woo! Okay, that was it. Okay. Oh, okay, boing. Okay.
Sebastian!
Oh,
Ooh, we're in the cave of
In the
wonders. Let me give us a little push here. You guys look nice.
Oh, there's a shark in there. Let's go, quickly. Come on. We're going to be dropping to that. All those sharks down there. Hang up! Oh my God! I heard you guys scream!
You guys, that was your son!
These are all females.
So it's very dark. Whether you have your eyes open or not, you really don't realize it. And it's like you're just going through these curves, and then all of a sudden you see this light, and it's that tunnel that you go through, and that's where you slow down. I will admit I got a little bit claustrophobic in there because you don't really move that fast. You have to wait for the other oncoming raft to come to kind of push you. But it was kind of neat to see the fish and the shark all around.
What do you think, Tian?
That was awesome.
It was awesome?
That was really good. I really came over my fear of tight spaces. That's water. That's so everything. That's so cool.
did you like it? He's in the hot tub.
Yeah?
He's in the hot tub.
Okay, so we just did the jungle slide. Took about 20 seconds to get down. Now we're gonna do the leap of faith.
Don't mind me.
Which I thought I was gonna do it, but the kids want to do it, so I gotta man up for the boys, you know, and for the wife as well. I mean, as you guys know, I dive with sharks, alligators, you name it, or spearfish. I get out there often, but I don't do very well with heights. I don't do very well, or in close spaces,
Or
like
speed.
or speed,
Or airplanes.
or airplanes.
It's a miracle we got you here.
Yes. So no height, in close spaces, speed, or airplanes. But here we go. Everything for the boys and her. Oh my God. Oh my. I don't know, babe.
I know.
Dude,
Wait. Go, Daddy, go.
that's almost 90 degrees. There you go next, man.
Are you serious?
Yeah. See ya. Yeah, hold on, yeah. Yeah, baby, don't win.
You go, baby. Go, honey, go. Go right after.
I'm not gonna fly, alright?
No, you're not. You gotta wait for
Let's go.
cross your arms and legs.
Nah, man, I didn't go. Fuck at it, dude. Yeah, I couldn't do it.
You do it or can't do it?
No.
You can do it.
Here we go. Oh. Oh my God. Oh. Hey, buddy. So we just did the leap of faith. It was really scary and I screamed like a chicken, but anyways, I did it. I did it. And he did it twice, I did it once. You want to do it? You want me to do it with you? Get back, Ken. Alright guys, so we finally found the cave. We passed it like 5 times. Check it out. It was right behind, it was right there. Here they are.
You know, inhabitants of the island and resided in these caves. Later in time, it's been suggested that pirates and their bounty found refuge from the law by also hiding in these caves. Today, the caves are occupied by the buffy flower bat, commonly known as the fruit bat, and indigenous to the Bahama Islands. Please respect this national treasure.
This is awesome because pirates used to take refuge here. And there's bats right there. Yeah, look right there. Oh, see the dots right there? Those are bats. That's full of bats right there.
Why did this fill my arm?
Alright, so this is the caves pirates used to get refuge and hide their booty back in the pirate era. Put the bag on the pole. We got there.
Boom. Oh, no, that was time. Who touched you first?
I can tell. So far, our experience in Nassau has been greater than expected. The slides were fun and full of adrenaline. And the hospitality extends beyond Atlantis to the city itself. Bahamian people are so friendly and welcoming, and the island is full of life and beauty everywhere you look. Do not forget to subscribe and follow. More episodes coming next week.